This goodness, it's a winter staple. Hot, creamy and velvety, this hot chocolate has all the ingredients to warm you up in the cold winter evenings. If you want to see how I did it, just keep watching. I'm gonna start by sifting 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. You see me pouring the cornstarch twice just because I have a half a tablespoon, but it's just 1 tablespoon. Then I'll do the same with 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. I add 3 tablespoons of sugar, and here is the same thing. I'm using half of tablespoon, so I need to pour multiple times. To the powders I add just a little bit of milk, so I remove any lumps. Then I add 1 teaspoon of orange essence. I'm gonna chop 5.5 ounces of dark chocolate. I start first in one way and then in the other one. On the stove I pour all the milk, and here I have 2 cups. Now I start stirring, and when it's nice and hot, I add all the chopped chocolate and I wait for it to thicken. If you're vegan or lactose intolerant, you can always use a plant-based or dairy-free milk. As you can see now, the hot chocolate starts thickening, so I keep stirring to prevent it to stick at the bottom of the pan. Then I turn the heat off and move the pan up on the side. I grab a lid and I place it on top to keep it warm. If before pouring you notice a thin film on top of the hot chocolate, you can mix it together again. I am going to pour the hot chocolate into my glass, and then I'm gonna top everything with whipped cream and sprinkles. And here is my hot chocolate. It's super cute and super delicious. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.